Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure your project is WebGL ready. Switch platform to WebGL in Build Settings and select the scenes you need. Once done, open Player Settings and choose the compression format and memory size appropriate to your build. This impacts load time and runtime stability. Make sure to enable exceptions only if you need them and pick the template that matches hosting. You'll save time by trimming unused assets and confirming WebGL build support is installed before you build. You now perform the build and test cycle. Hit Build to create the WebGL folder, then serve it locally with a simple static server, Python mHTTP server or npm HTTP server, because browsers block file//requests. Once running, open the page and monitor the browser console for errors, look for successful WASM and asset downloads, and verify memory allocation and loading progress. If streaming or compression shows problems, rebuild with different compression settings or enable decompression fallback, and test again. You finish by uploading the WebGL build folder to your static host or CDN, ensuring correct MIME types for WASM and Unity Web files, and that CORS is configured if using cross-origin resources. Once deployed, open the game on target browsers and devices to confirm input, audio, and performance. Enable gzip or Brotli compression on the server to reduce payload size. If it fails to run, check the browser console for MIME or CORS errors, and verify the server serves compressed files with the proper headers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.